Thutha wa njukaniriro gatagati ga kamiti ya ugima wa mwiri mbunge-ini ya bururi na kanjo ya guthurima na kunyabara miturire ya mawira KMPDU wigie thina uria ugumeire sekta ya ugima wa mwiri, riu ruhonge rweru ni rwendekithitie kumbwo kamiti ya mwanya iria ireramataga uheani wa marua thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe. Mucemanio-ini uria wikitwo kaunti-ini ya Embu makienda kwenjera uma ngukumio-ini ya kura kwa makiria wa ciringi bilioni 4 cia ANDU afya thibitari-ini wa kurigita githuri na ngothi wa iciara. Kamiti ino ni yugite ni wega kumbwo ruhonge rwa guthurima thibitari cia andu kiumbe
KMPDC. But as Parliament, what we have decided that from what we have seen is that there is a mix-up in legislation of hospitals in this country, because the same organization that registers doctors, all doctors in this country are members of the KMPDC. They pay money to become members. It's like a club for them.
Kamiti ino yugite kanjo ya guthurima na kunyabara miturire ya mawira ya rigitani KMPDU ndiri na uigiririku wa kuigana wa guthurima thibitari cia andu kiumbe magiciorota ta thibitari iria ciekirwo ungumania amu madagitari kuma mathibitari maya niyo ene thibitari ici cia andu kiumbe.
Realize that and will recommend to Parliament that we need to separate legislation of doctors as a profession and legislation and regulation of facilities, so that it can be done by two different groups, so that we can always checking who.
Ihinda-ini o riu uthuthuria uyu no uthire na mbere mwena wa Eldoret kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu na kuria kuhithukiria ati motungata thibitari-ini wa Medihill Eldoret makoretwo mataguthie na mbere. Kamiti ino ikiuga thibitari uyu wamukirire kimanjika kia makiria ma bilioni 1 niguo gutwarithia na mbere motungata maguo miaka 3 mihituku.
Because of all these challenges, we were not able to pay our staffs in time. So many of the staffs, when they didn't get salaries for more than 3 months, they went through the legal way, and because of that, they won their case, and that made the court to order stoppage of certain money which we were supposed to receive, including NHIF.
Matongoretio ni munini wa muikariri giti wa kamiti ino hamwe na mbunge wa Igamba Ng'ombe Patrick Munene ni manyitite mbaru ndeto ino makiuga ni gukorwo iri ya uguni hari gutuithania cira uyu.
Monday we visited some facilities in Nairobi, and when we went to some of the hospitals, they closed and ran away because they didn't want the members to establish what kind of services they are offering and whether they had that capacity to offer that service.
Maya mahanikite riri na seneta wa Murang'a Jonyutu atetetie thirikari ya kaunti ya Murang'a akiuga ati thibitari wa Murang'a level 5 ni wagite dawa arigitani gukorwo magitira wira na gukorwo gutari na motungata ma arwaru kuhurwo bica maundu maria ugite no nginya mamurikwo
guku kiroko thia thaithatu na ngukite kuhurwo bica ya nda na twatinda guku dagitari aria tukorire mathondekire andu amwe na mainuka na kuhitia muno andu aria moka maroka magakora andu angi guku makoerwo rithiti magathondekwo.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV njitagwo Nyambura wa Kirumba.